Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn how you can actually differentiate using quotient rule. So what is actually quotient rule? Quotient rule is used if you have a function that is made out of two functions in a fraction. So let's say we want to differentiate a function that is made out of two functions and is in a fraction form like this, f over g. Then we use quotient rule. So let's say we want to differentiate 3x plus 9 over 2 minus x. So this is a fraction of two functions. So if we want to differentiate it, we use quotient rule. So quotient rule is stated as, first, the numerator is function f and the denominator is function g. So when we differentiate function f, we get 3 multiplied with function g, 2 minus x, minus function f, which is 3x plus 9, multiply with, you differentiate function g, you get negative 1, and over square of function g, which is 2 minus x square. So you will get the answer as, so 6 minus 3x plus 3x minus 9 plus 9. So you will get the answer as 15 over 2 minus x square. So this is how you can use quotient rule to differentiate a fractions of functions. So let's say we have another examples. Now we want to differentiate x squared over 3x minus 1. So we write down the formula for the quotient rule first. So derivative of function f multiplied with g minus derivative of function g multiplied with function f over g squared. So now our function f is x squared, so it's 2x multiplied with 3x minus 1, minus, you differentiate function g, you get 3, multiply function f, you get x squared, over g, function g is 3x minus 1, and square it. So numerator is 6x squared minus 2x minus 3x squared over square root over 3x minus 1 square. So you will get 3x squared minus 2x over 3x minus 1 square. So this is the answer for your differentiation using quotient rule. So let's try one more example. Let's say now we want to differentiate sine x over x. So it's also a fraction of functions. So now let's say we want to differentiate. So the numerator is function f and the denominator is function g. So let's say we have derivative of f multiplied with function g minus derivative of g multiplied with function f over g squared. So function f is, if you differentiate sine x, you get cos x, multiply with function g, which is x, minus, you differentiate g is, you get 1, and function f over g squared is x squared. So you will get x multiplied with cosine x minus sine x over x squared as the answer. So I hope you have learned how you can actually differentiate fractions of functions using quotient rule. If you want to learn how you can actually differentiate product of two functions, you can check out my other video on how you can differentiate using product rule. Thank you.